Hello everybody, how are you? First of all, I am Yuvraj, working as an assistant professor in Department of Commerce, Digital Marketing and Data Mining and at Dr. Sns Institution College of Arts and Science. Today we are going to see about the topic of the importance of brand voice. The importance of brand voice is nothing but it is a strong brand voice and consistency are vital for creating lasting impression and forecasting country customers' loyalty. In the present stations of establishing a unique and maintaining consistency across the communications. So it is a difference between the communication. Now we are going to see about the defining brand voice. It's nothing but it is a defining brand voice. It is what is under that. What is brand voice? What is component of brand voice? See, I'm going to explain about what is brand voice. See, the brand voice is nothing but basically called. Brand voice refers to the unique personality and tone of brand communication. For example, I'm saying the brand voice is nothing but when we are calling and call communication with telephone. See, they will give responsibilities and they will give a proper responsibilities in the phone. It's a brand voice. In a cute voice. That is a brand voice they will say. Then there is a components of brand voice. So components of brand voice is nothing but it is an element such as tone, language and style determine how a brand expresses itself. I'm saying about it one more thing. Elements such as tone and languages. See, based on our tone and languages, how the communications. For example, so BPO, they have a BPO. Nowadays, as a BPO is there. So they're doing the night shift and day shifts. They based on day shifts and night shifts, they're communicating they sell products on online. They have communication telephone. So that is the establishment of brand voice. And then next we are going to see about establishment of brand voice. So establishment of brand voice is nothing but to define the brand voice for the business and should consider as a target audience and be brand values. It is for business. For as a last topic we talk about the BPO what they how to be marketed in the telephone. So as we are doing the business, how we promote our business in online. It is an establishment of brand voice. Next is importance of consistency. See, importance of consistency is the base of building a trust. That is building a trust. So now that is trust. There's nothing but consistency basing across all platforms for trust and credibility. Say okay is building a trust. It is a credibility. Number one. And another number two is enhancing recognition. There's nothing but a consists of brand voice enhancing brand recognition. A consists of brand voice enhancing recognition. Then it is a create customers loyalty. Create a customers loyalty. So consistency help the cultivating customers consultancy. Consultants loyalty. So that is a creating customers loyalty. The next is we going to see about marketing. It is a marketing. So marketing is the impact of marketing strategies. Under that we have some points. Under the first one is influencing customers perception. Influencing customers perception is nothing but a well-defined brand voice. Well-defined brand voice influences have customers previous a brand that is shapes their experience and their expectations. The next is guiding content creation. What are the contents we are going to create? How many types of content we are creating for our business, our product? It is nothing but guiding a contents of a brand voice guides content creation across the valuable channels. So we have some of the channels under social media. So we are putting somewhere contents. We not do same contents in the social media. For FB, for Twitter is there. So based on their social media, we making a content for that particular product. The next is a dividing engagement. That is a driving engagement. This driving engagement is nothing but a brand takes made as a conscious voice and more on they engage their audience efficiency. So that is a driving engagement. And the next we are going to see about brand voice case studies. Now it's going to be case studies. What's the brand voice? It's nothing but Coca-Cola. Already we have companies, the Coca-Cola, Nike and Apple. The Coca-Cola is nothing but it consists of brand voice, happiness, togetherness of advertising. How they are advertising? And then The Nike. The Nike, I know the product based on your shoes and everything, empowering, emphasizing, and that is the Nike. And next is Apple. So Apple is nothing but nowadays Apple we have brand voice and everything. So the brand was creating product launch and marketing based on the how do I say? So even the mobile phone also. That is an Apple. And next we are going to see about the what that is in two steps to develop a brand voice. Steps to develop a brand voice. What are the steps? We have 3 tips. That is nothing but conduct audience research. Conduct audience research. And second is what is this? Create brand voice guidance. To create brand voice guidance. And third is train your team. So these are the 3 points. The first point is we saying about conduct audience research. How they conduct audience research? How you analyze it? That is a conduct audience research. So that is the 3 points of practical step to develop a brand voice. The next is measuring success. Next we are going to say about measuring success. Measuring success is nothing but to evaluate the effect of a brand voice. How we evaluating the effect of the brand voice? And it's essential to gather likes from various metrics, and feedbacks. What are the feedbacks we are coming? That is measuring success. By we getting the feedbacks, we are measuring success everything. So that is measuring success. The next is importance of brand voice. So main point is importance of brand voice. What are the importance of brand voice? Already we have seen this point. It is in build a trust, enhance research. Build the trust and enhance the research is the importance of brand voice. So after all, this is and we have seen about the brand voice topic. We have covered this today. So let's see the next topic. Thank you so much.